he doesn't even fly.
But of course he can fly. He's a perfect specimen.
What are you doing?
Don't worry, their natural instincts always take over.
Wait, no! Ah!
Well, almost always.
Boo!
Oh, what kind of doctor are you?
Are you okay?
Perhaps it's too domesticated.
It was very nice of you to stop in.
Specimen. A typical example.
Your bison was exquisite, a perfect specimen, and a terrible loss.
Instinct. The way people or animals naturally react or behave.
Rats are ugly, sure, and nobody likes them, but they're very intelligent, and they have a strong survival instinct.
Domesticated. Brought under human control.
You look like that wolf that got taken in as a pet. All dumb and domesticated.
Crazy love hawk.
But first, we gotta bust you out.
What?
Yeah, I'ma pop that cage open like a soda can.
No, that's... What? No, that's okay. Whoa.
You call that popping?
Woo. This thing's robust.
No, guys, really, I'm fine. The cage is great. Love the cage.
Stop on. Shoot yourself. Hey, don't forget, love hawk.
Bust out. To escape from a place, especially prison.
You can't bust out of here like they do in the movies.
Robust. Strong and unlikely to break or fail.
Gentlemen, thank you all for helping make the Washington Post a more robust company.
Pet? Did you just call me a pet? For the record, I am not a pet. I am a companion. And you know what? Do whatever you want, because tomorrow morning, Linda will come for me, and this whole nightmare will be over.
Incredible! You would rather be with a human than with your own kind.
Well, that human has given me love and affection for the past 15 years, whereas my own kind tried to strangle me after 15 seconds.
Yeah, well, because of them, I've lost everything.
Companion. Someone you spend a lot of time with, especially a friend.
Luckily for me, I had some very important companions to help with my second chance.
Affection. A feeling of liking for a person or place.
Grace, I hope you realize you trying to keep your distance from me in no way lessens my affection for you.
Strangle. To kill someone by pressing the throat so that the person cannot breathe.
He's making that stupid face again.
I could strangle him right now!
Signal him again.
But I coulda. Hey, Luis! Stop scaring my friends. Hey, Ralphie, come here. Where you been? You look good.
Wait. Luis is a bulldog?
You got something against dogs?
I do when they're drooling on me.
It's a medical condition.
No, hey, amigo, we really need you.
She's mean, bro.
Luis, come on, please. We need your help.
Drool. To let saliva come out of your mouth.
Why are you talking to me, man?
Because I looked up your file while you were drooling on the floor.
Mean. Unkind or unpleasant.
Is Captain America cool? Or is he like a mean old grandpa?